Hello everyone. Right, tonight I've promised this to a few people, my subscribers. I'm going to try something from this magazine I bought. I showed you that I'd bought it and I thought, well, we'll try one of the recipes. People have asked me, would I buy it again? Yeah, I think I probably would. There's a great deal of variety in it. And it's not one of these instant quick things. There's quite some detailed recipes in here, but tonight we are doing a quickie because it's going to go with, I'm going to do a steak for John and I a bit later. But what we're going to try tonight is the cheese, sage and truffle Hasselback potatoes. They're actually new potatoes, okay. I don't have truffle oil, so that's going to be slightly different, but quite honestly that shouldn't make any difference really to what I want to happen. Right, the Hasselback potatoes, I've normally done these only on big potatoes, but these are little tiny new potatoes, so I'm hoping you can see that. Now the thing is, and I did go too far on one of them, but the thing is to stop, you don't want it right through, otherwise they're just going to be chips basically, or sliced potatoes. Right, so I've already put a tablespoonful of olive oil over the potatoes as instructed. Now I've got melted butter, so I'm going to pour those over it, just like that. I'm just going to kind of, so they're nicely coated in oil and butter. Now I'm going to put salt and pepper on. Basically it's like a roast potato, only the new potatoes with the skins on. Okay, so they look nicely oiled up.
Hang on. Nice. Okay.
So those look nicely oiled up with the seasoning on, the salt and pepper. And what I'm going to do is, because it's we're in winter, there's no sage left in the garden, but I have got here, now stand them in your air fryer so the unsliced side is down on the grid.
I did take a photo of that, right? Right, now continue.
I'm hoping you can see that. Again, I've got the smallest Ninja. So, and they do say don't overfill your basket, so but this is just for John and I tonight, so this amount of potato is more than enough. Okay, so that's all I'm putting in there. Just wipe my fingers a second. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, as I say, I've got no fresh sage, so this is my dried sage, which when I've got fresh herbs again, I'm going to do some dehydration for you to see just how easy it was. It's lovely to think that this was in the garden in September when I did this, and I'm not having to buy many herbs because I had thyme in, sage in. I did quite a lot of dehydration. I never thought about filming it. Okay, enough's enough. Let's get these on. It says 25 minutes, so it says 20 minutes, stop, then we're going to dress them with Parmesan straight over the top, back in for another 5. So let's get these on. Pull the Ninja out. Air fry 200 and time 25. Okay, right, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, we just hit the time where we've got to stop and put the Parmesan on, and they're looking good, so I'm just thought I'd better grate up a bit of fresh Parmesan. There we go. There we go. Right, okay. Just going to bring this out over here for a minute. They look really interesting. So she showed it kind of like, in the magazine it kind of looks like this, where it's sat on top. And that'll just hopefully sort of like penetrates into the little slices. Well, that's the idea, I believe. We shall see. But yeah, a bit different. Okay, it goes on for the rest of its cooking time, which would be 5 minutes. Okay, see you in 5. Okay guys, that's it. Those are the Hasselback potatoes with the Parmesan, which has gone like a little crust on the top. Absolutely lovely. And that's what we're having for supper tonight. The Hasselbacks were done in the Ninja. Nothing else was tonight. It was on the top. But I'm quite pleased with those. They're quite nice. They are fiddly, that's a warning. It took me forever to cut those little slits in there. But I think we're going to enjoy those. It's something different. See you later, folks.